Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody? I hope all is well with you today. If you're here for the first time, please go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Please and thank you. All right, guys, for everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I want to show you a system. This is going to be one of the easiest ways for you to make money online is using this system right here. If you're brand new to making money online, if you're a brand new affiliate marketer, or if you are a marketer that's been online and never made money online, this system is going to be the easiest way for you to do it. And I'll tell you why. The system is an automated passive income system. Okay. You're able to make and generate $200 commissions, $400 commissions, or $800 commissions instantly on autopilot, okay? All through this automated system. So why is it going to be perfect for a newbie? Number one, the system is done for you. You don't have to go and create any funnels, any sales funnels. You don't have to create an autoresponder. Okay, any of those things. You're not going to have to answer any questions. Okay, so none of that is required because it's already done for you. Your job is just going to be to drive traffic, drive people to your capture page, and let the system do everything else from there. And then the call center will close out all your sales and answer all the questions, and you get paid. Okay. Okay, so the link is going to be in the description for you to go check it out. Step one is to watch the video. Go to www.earnwithpandora.com. Okay, now there's 3 products. Only 3, which is awesome, and that keeps it simple. Okay, so we have what's called the bronze package for $297. Okay, you can get in. And this particular product allows you to make $200 commissions. Okay, so every time you sell a bronze product, you make $200. Then we have a gold product package that's $497. Okay, this is a one-time investment, no monthly fees. The gold package allows you to make $400. Okay, and they recently added the platinum package for $997. That one pays out $800. All right, but if you join at the platinum package level, all the lower levels are included. Okay, if you join at the gold level, you get the gold and the bronze. Okay, so you decide where you want to get in. Okay, the great thing is, even if you join at a lower level and someone comes in at a higher level, you will still make the commission at the level you're at. So in other words, if you join at bronze, somebody comes in at gold, you'll make $200 and the other $200 to pass up. Okay, so with this program also, there are no pass ups or one ups. You don't have to pass up a person like your first sale, your second sale, any of those components doesn't apply here. Okay, there's some programs out there where you do have to pass up. I'm sorry, I'm distracted by these messages that's coming in on my phone. All right, so no pass ups, no one ups, guys. You keep all your sales. Okay, and then we also get paid by overrides. All right, which means if someone comes in at you come in at the bronze, right, and someone comes in at the gold, just what I said, the 200 will come up to me, for example, and you keep the other 200. Or if someone comes in at the bronze and they sell a platinum package, 600 will roll up, but you would still pocket 200 because that's the level that you actually invested in. Okay, so that's a fair comp plan. So as a newbie or a beginner, think about that. There's no selling or explaining. You don't have to worry about answering any questions. Okay, the call center is going to handle all that for us, and they will sign the person up, send them your links, and then you automatically get paid. Okay, and it's instant pay, or guys, you can get paid any way you want. But if you decide also to be able to receive money orders, you can do that as well. Okay, So any way you want to receive your payments, you can do that. This is pretty much a business in a box. As I stated, it comes with the capture pages, the autoresponders, everything you need is included. Even traffic sources is in the members area. Okay. And then we have our call center that's going to close all our sales for us. So all we have to do is drive traffic over and over and over to our capture page. The best part about this is 95% of it is automated, as I explained earlier, and they give you an illustration right here. So you drive traffic. Number one, you're driving traffic to your capture page. The second part is the prospects put in their email. Once they put in their email, they go to a video. As soon as they put in their email, a video is going to come up, which is right here. Watch this 7-minute video. It will explain everything. Okay. And then if they decide they have some questions or they're ready to get started, they're going to call the 800 number, the professional call center. They're going to answer all their questions. They're going to get them signed up, and then you get paid. The call center is going to send you an email, when you get a new member. Okay. And then you get paid, guys. So you never have to speak to anyone. I mean, as I stated, you're not going to find anything easier than this. Okay. So step one is look at the video. Go to my website. Link is in the description. And then you're going to call this number, 800-232-2109. Jot down your questions. Okay. They're going to answer them for you. Give them my ID, 442-89634. They'll get you signed up. I'll get an email to say, hey, I got a new member. Then you're going to get an email with your login information. Okay. That's how it's going to flow. Very simple and easy to get set up. Basically, you don't even need a computer. All you need is your smartphone. All you need is your smartphone, because you can go to the website, www.earnwithpandora.com, opt in, look at the video. You're going to get this page right here. Go down, call the number, give them my ID. You can do all that from your smartphone. Then they're going to email you. Right? And you can check that from your smartphone. Make your payment from your smartphone. Log in from your smartphone. You're in business, guys. Just like that. Okay? Very simple. Now, when you call, make sure you leave the ID, your name and number. Let me put this back up here. All right. Leave your name and number. Speak clearly and slowly. Let them know, hey, you're ready to get started. Give them my ID, my name. They're going to call you back. So be patient on that, guys. They've got a lot of calls coming in. So they will call you back, and be mindful of the call back. You may miss them because they may call from an 800 number. You never know which number they're going to call from. So just be sure to answer your phone. Okay. And they'll get back with you, and you literally could be set up, guys, the same day. Okay. If you're ready to get started. Okay. Before we wrap it up, let me just log in. I'm in my members area. I want you to see there are 3 digital products packages, which I mentioned earlier. I want to show you that. I'm logged in. The bronze level, this is the $297 level. Here's the gold level products, the $497 level. And then platinum, $997 level. Okay? So we do have digital products in here. I've already looked at some of these, and I've gotten some nuggets from these. So you definitely, if you're in this program, you definitely want to log into your members area and check out the products. This is what you purchased. Okay. Yeah, everybody's ready to make money, but check out what you got back here. Then also, guys, we have resources. Click here, and they have a postcard. I have my own postcard that I'm finishing up creating. So when you join me, if you're interested in postcards, I've got a special card that I created personally. Okay, but they have a postcard back here and a company that will do all the mailing for you, a done-for-you mailing service. And then they have pre-written letters that you can use for your autoresponder. If you don't want to use their system, you can use your own system, GetResponse, Aweber, whoever. And they have the letters here for you. Just copy those. And then they have solo ad providers to run traffic. I'll just give you a sneak of one here. Let's check it out. They've got, so for $75, you can get 100 click ad solo. Okay, now for everybody that joined me, I'm going to run traffic. I'm going to run your first campaign. Okay, I'll show you that. I'll tell you what that is in a second. Okay, but everything is right here under one umbrella for you. And right here are the capture pages. They have 4 capture pages. I'll just click on one so you can check it out. Let's go to this one here. Now let's go to this one. I think I looked at that one before. Let's go to this one. Okay, shocking system, pulling in amazing $200 to $400 plus per day. Okay, so you can just share this link with others, or you can just run traffic. I recommend running traffic. Just pick one of those pages and switch those out, guys. Don't use the same one over and over, because one may convert better than the other. Now, me personally, I'm using a third-party marketing system. If you go to www.earnwithpandora.com, you will see the system that I'm using. Okay, so go check it out. Get started with me. Let me show you. Well, let me go over the bonus, the traffic bonus that I'm going to give. All right, so for everybody that comes in at the $200 level, I'm going to send 125 click solo ad for you. Just send me your capture page link. For everybody that joins at the $400 level, I'm going to send a 225 click solo ad. For everybody that comes at the $800 level, I'm going to send a 350 click solo ad, guys. This is a bonus. This is big. This is going to start to get leads into your system. You got to get some traction going. Just joining a program is not going to make it work. Okay, you got to put into action. You got to do the work, and that's driving traffic. They're going to do everything else for us by closing the sale out, right? Our job is just to drive traffic, drive traffic, drive traffic. So the first solo, I will be doing that for you. So make sure to send me your link, okay? So with that being said, guys, go ahead, click the link in the description, www.earnwithpandora.com. Watch this video right here, 7 minutes. Watch it all the way through. Jot down your questions. That's step 1. Step 2, call this number, okay? Call the number 800-232-2109. Give them my ID, 442-89634. Once you get signed up, they're going to send me an email. You need to send me your link, your capture page link, and I'll get your traffic started for you so that you can start getting some leads and eyeballs looking at the opportunity. All right, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.